Proselytize meaning, etymology, and mnemonic. To convert to another faith or religion, advocate or promote belief or course of action, to try to persuade someone to change their religious or political beliefs or way of living to your own. Proselytize is to persuade somebody to change his religious views mainly according to your own, or it can also be used for persuading somebody to change his political views as well. To convince somebody, to argument somebody about conversion or changing his religious views. Television has provided evangelists with yet another platform for their proselytizing. Television has become another means for evangelists to promote their religious views and to change religious views of the audience. It has broadened their audience base. Missionaries were sent to proselytize in rural areas of the country. Etymology. It comes from the Greek proselytos, meaning stranger, a newcomer. When proselytize entered English in 17th century, it had a distinctly religious connotation and meant simply to recruit religious converts. Later on, it was used in broader sense and it was used for conversion of political views or changing lifestyles. Mnemonic split the word as prose plus hypnotize. The preachers or missionaries are using their beautiful proses to hypnotize their audience. This pro and hypnotize sounds like proselytize, or prose plus magnetize to attract. They're using their proses to magnetize to convert people. What is the difference between evangelize and proselytize? Dictionary describes evangelize as preach the gospel, spread the Christian faith. Apparently, they both seem similar, but there is a little bit difference between these two words. As proselytize is to convert somebody, and the person who proselytize sincerely believes that his own beliefs are superior, are, are ultimate truth, and everybody who will come to his beliefs will become successful at the end, and he will have a happy life thereafter after resurrection. On the other hand, when somebody evangelizes, he does not present his religious views as superior or ultimate truth. In fact, his main mission is to connect people with the church, and it is the term particularly related to the evangelical Christians. On the other hand, proselytize is generally a broader term. For example, Muslims, Sikhs, Hindus, or Jews can also proselytize.